Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well, and I hope you all are enjoying a very Merry Christmas and some very happy holidays. I hope you all had great food, spent great time with your family, opened up some great presents. I know I have, and today I can't wait to show you what I got. I got two diecast models, an Aeroclassics 737 and a JC Wings 747. I can't wait to show you guys these models. They're absolutely amazing, and I'm really grateful for these models as well. Before I start though, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so that you guys don't miss a new video on the channel. And without further ado, let's get started. So, here we have the first model, a Boeing 737-200 of Sudan Airways, registration ST-AFL. This is an Aeroclassics 1/400 scale model, and I'm really happy to have this one. This is my third 737, but it's my first 737-200. And it's my first African airline as well, so I'm really happy to have this, really excited to add it to my collection. There's also something just special about the 737, the older ones, the -100, the -200. The shorter design, the more retro-looking aesthetics of the entire aircraft, and also the slimmer and more elongated engine. I think all those features of it just really add, they really make it special, and that's what makes it really appeal to me. And what about you guys? What is your favorite aircraft? What is your opinion on the 737 or on the 737-200 or -100 specifically? Comment down below. So, let's get started. Now, opening it up right here, very smoothly. Now, out of the box, get a more clear look. Amazing design, amazing aircraft as well. Take it out of its plastic box now. Ooh, it's kind of tight on here. That should come out. Yeah, there we go. Be careful, because I don't want it to fly off randomly. Almost got it. There we go. Perfect. So, here we have it. Take the plastic off. Take the cloth off, and there it is. Sudan Airways 737-200 in all its glory. You can see it's a really good airline. I like the design, the yellow tail with Sudan written diagonally across the top, and then like the thin blue and yellow line all of a sudden enlarging itself closer to the cockpit and then becoming thin again. It's a very, very good design. And of course, the glory of the 737-200, the longer engines, the more retro looking design, shorter than your contemporary 737s like the 800, the 900, the MAX. Really great design. Really happy to have it. And Aeroclassics has really outdone themselves with this one too. Wow, it's amazing. Really, really grateful to have this one. Hope you guys enjoy it too, but I, for one, am really happy to have this in my collection. So, there we have it. 737-200 from Sudan Airways by Aeroclassics in the 1/400 scale. And now, second, last but not least, that off to the side. A JC Wings 1/400 scale American Airlines 747 SP. Probably another one of my favorites. I don't have any 747s, not on the 1/400 scale anyway. I do have one 1/400 scale one, but that's a 737-8F. So 747-8F. So this one will be a another one of my favorite ones. I love the retro American look as well. The gray with the red lettering. The one red A and another blue A joined by, I think, a blue eagle, and then of course the stripes, red, white, and blue running across the center of the fuselage. Amazing design, and overall great airline. American, very good airline. The new design, don't get me wrong, is perfect, but still the retro ones are perfect as well. And this one, the 747 SP, really happy to have it. There just is something like there's something special about it. The fact that it's a shortened 747, and of course this is 747, so that makes it perfect. But the fact that it's a shorter one gives it that retro look that also gives an appeal to its design, and I suppose could make it so highly sought after by collectors. So let's open this. It's quite a big design, actually. Wow. Here it is in the open. It's pretty big. Pretty big. As a 747 should be. Let's remove this. Another tight fit, but shouldn't be too difficult to remove, I hope. Ooh. Oh, okay, got it. There we go. With the boxes outside. Take all the plastic off, and there we have it. A glorious American Airlines 747 SP, registration N601AA. Wow, it's completely polished. The gray and silver in color is just really drives me crazy. This is a great aircraft, great design, great livery. Too bad the 747 SP isn't in use anymore. I'm sure we would have had many more models, but still grateful to have my hands on this one. You can see the older engines as well of the 747 with you have a round cylinder here at the top, and then after that a thinner, longer cylinder followed by a cone. Great. I'd say that's like a trademark of the older 747s, especially the winglets here. But especially because this is a shorter 747, you expect usually to be long, right? It's pretty long, the 747, but this is just a shorter version, and too bad it wasn't as popular as its original version, but still, I'm grateful that they have made models for it, and the models are perfect as well. JC Wings has done well with this one. It does come with a stand, however, or it could be put on a stand. However, I don't have it, but no problem. I like to keep my airplanes on the ground. Nothing more, but still, again, perfect design. Absolutely amazing. And 5 sets of wheels for a big aircraft expected. So yeah, the creators have really done well with these aircraft. I'm happy to have them, happy to add them to my collection. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss another video on the channel. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and have a happy new year, and I'll see you on the next video.